Third position, class 12 arts, we have Dia Menlang Kongla with 77.60%. In the second position, we have, yes, Firstborn Lamin with 79.80%. Firstborn is not here. We had informed that we had some medical issues, so I invite one of the teachers to collect this prize on behalf of Firstborn. And in the first place, we have Yana Diam Lalare with 81.40%. So congratulations to you students, and I wish you all the best for your finals. Thank you, sir, for doing the honor. Now to hand over the prizes to the class 11 art students, I invite Dr. Mrs. Vimika to please come forward. Now, class 11, since it's your first exam in the school, I know your heart is beating really fast. Okay, so I'm not scare you more. So in the third position we have Arkaban Koshna with 65%. Arkaban Koshna with 65%. In the second place we have Miss Medacare Lamin with 67.80%. And first, we have Miss Banala Shishalinga Malta with 69.16%. Congratulations to these students and also to all of you who have done well, but you might with just 1% or 2% to receive the prize. So work hard next time, okay? Alright, so we will start with 10. So sorry. Alright, so thank you so much, Miss. Now I invite Miss P. Gongwa to please come forward and distribute the prizes to our students, our excellent student from class 12 science. In the third place, we have Miss Vanessa Penny Kongla with 54%. In the second place, we have Arti Maya Kompinan with 55%. And in the first place, we have Junisha Longko with 65%. There is still room for improvement, class 12 science, and I urge you to work hard, okay? Alright, thank you so much, Miss. Now I invite science. You still have to gear up yourself and work harder because there's no third place, only first and second. So some of you have missed the prize. Anyways, to do the honor, I invite Sir Yada to please come forward and distribute the prize to class 11 students, 11 science. Second, we have Samiksha Paduna. Samiksha Paduna with 49%. And in the first place, we have Isha Pikar Kar with 61%. Class 11 science also, please, you have to really work hard. You have only 1 month for your finals. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Now I invite Miss Shiva Nongpo to please come forward and help us distribute the prize to the class 10 students. In the third place, we have Ibakitiu Surok with 73.33%. Ibakitiu Surok. Have Kushanti P. Hayok. With 74.60 specially mention that they are multi-talented. They are multi-talented. So let's give them once again a big round of applause. Thank you, Miss. Class 9, I would like to invite Miss. Come forward. And do you all know who got the third position? Yes? Where are class 9? Oh, she won class 9 Zoe. But not a lie. For in the third place we have Mr. Zawi Azariel Khynnah with 25.16%. Second place we have Echwami Baba Murcha with 68.16%. And the first place goes to Dailaba Dayam with 73.16%. So congratulations, dear students, and thank you so much, Miss. Ahead with class 8. I would like to invite Miss Vagancy, who is the class teacher, to please come forward and distribute the prizes along with the report card to these students. Third place, or in the third rank, we have Miss Judy P. Ayok with 64.12%. In the second place, we have Miss Balapuman Suchya with 71.12%. Balapuman Suchya. Or Suchen. And first position goes to the Nana Potri with 72.75%. Let's encourage them with a big clap. Thank you, Miss, and congratulations to the students. For the class 7, I would like to invite Miss Victoria Porta to please come and distribute the prizes along with the report card to the following students. Class 7, where are you? Class 7? Okay. You want to know? You know what I'm like? What is that? Boys? Okay. Third place today, Kalechai. They are with 70.63%. Second goes to Nishanti Paula with 83.75%. And first goes to Shayo. Scarlet Panther with 86.63%. Scarlet Panther, are you here? Okay. One student, and finally, once again, I invite our Madam Principal. Last teacher will give the report and Madam will give the prizes. So I invite Madam along with Sir to please come forward and distribute the prizes to our students. The third position we have Samhudika Nivya with 67.12%. Second place we have Kairuban Sai with 70.62%. Why is the clap so low? Yes. And the first place we have Naki Mukim Sutin with 74.75%. hard, strive hard, and dedicate to your studies. Next year, you will be the one who will be collecting the prizes here.